Hey YouTube, Chucky here from sojourningscholar.com, and in today's video, I'd like to make a video response to a question I received about the F1 post-completion OPT. So I got this question from an F1 visa student who's currently on the post-completion OPT, and he was asking if he could enroll in a course of study while on OPT. And so I'd like to make this video response as I think there might be other F1 international students with similar questions. So one thing you should keep in mind about the OPT is that, as the name suggests, the OPT, or Optional Practical Training, is specifically designed for F1 international students to gain work experience. And in the case of the post-completion OPT, F1 international students are expected to put their full attention towards gaining work experience as opposed to trying to balance taking a course of study and gaining work experience. Another thing you should know about the OPT is that while you're on the OPT, your work authorization is still sponsored by your university where you obtained your degree. And so this means that your civis information is still active with this university. As a result, if you need to enroll in a course of study as an F1 international student, you would have to change your civis status from OPT to a full-time F1 international student. Now, in some cases, you might be allowed to participate in an online course of study that does not require you to have an active civis ID with the program that offers that course of study. A typical example would be taking online certificate programs on websites like Udemy or Coursera that do not require you to have an active civis ID with the organizations that provide these courses. So if you're ever on F1 post-completion OPT and you're considering taking an online course of study, I'll recommend that you reach out to your school's designated school official to make sure that you're properly guided on what to do. Nevertheless, the message I'd like to leave you with is that while on the F1 post-completion OPT, you cannot enroll in any course of study that requires you to have an active civis ID with the organization that provides the course of study, simply because the post-completion OPT is designed for international students to exclusively spend their time gaining work experience and not being engaged in any kind of academic work. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about this, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Like and share this video if you did find it helpful, and if you're meeting for the first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to catch up with all the latest videos coming your way. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. But until then, be unbounded.